It has 70% of the banks or banking assets owned by
Mm-hmm.
state-owned banks, and that's basically a legacy of the Soviet Union and
Of the
then
Soviet Union, of course.
Uzbekistan basically being more or less a closed country for decades until 2016, 2017 when it opened up and went on a reform path. And the progress it's made over the last 8-9 years is really quite amazing. And people should come to Uzbekistan, to Tashkent, sorry, and you'll see what I mean by Tashkent being a very young and vibrant city, which surprises everybody when they come here. So the payment infrastructure, we have two local payment systems, Humo and Uzcard. Visa and MasterCard were never really allowed into the market, although they're just starting to come in now, fairly noticeably, I would say. But as a result of them having two local payment systems, they were able to do things in this kind of semi-closed loop system in Uzbekistan that you couldn't do in other markets which relied on international payment systems. So they built an API layer on top of this.
Mm-hmm.
On top of the API layer, they built basically kind of quasi open banking. And so there are things that you can do in Uzbekistan which you couldn't do in Europe until fairly recently,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe you can't do now. So we have interoperability between all of the different banks and payment systems. If I have a card from a competitor bank, for example, it's a cards-based system. I can download the TBC app, link my card to that app straight away. It's end-to-end onboarding, end-to-end digital onboarding, eKYC, lots of different digital services offered by the state. I, as a customer, can see all of my transactional data, my account data in the new app.